Till I look in your eyes, see my future. Guys, pagka may nangailangan ng barley sa mga friends nyo, ha? Bili na kayo sa akin. Wala akong live selling kahapon. Ngayon ako magtitinda. You don't need the makeup. Accept ko nga to, PK. Hi!
What's up? What's up?
What's up?
Yeah, how you doing? How you doing? I was like, I don't know about no man long I'm even from school. How you doing?
What's your name? What's your name?
My name is Kudro.
My name is Babi.
Babi. Who's saying Babi and Mabano? Babi. Where you from? Where you from?
Yeah. I'm from Philippines.
Philippines?
From the... Yeah. From the beautiful breed. Breed.
You,
huh?
then you have to promote my song, okay?
I will promote your song?
Yeah. Apparently, I have the number 2 about main kind of sports. Bro, feeling sports. Sports. Yeah, I'm a pop. I have the second most trending song in Ghana. Yeah, I am the second most streamed artist in Ghana at the moment.
Oh, where are you from again?
Ghana. So in India, I'm from Ghana.
Saan daw, guys?
Ghana, West Africa. West
Gala?
Africa.
Ah, Ghana. Ghana, yeah. West Africa.
Yeah, you can search on Shazam.
Oh, guys. Yung song daw niya, pinopromote niya.
Oh, okay. So promote my song back to back. That's what I say. Promote it for me like everyday videos, everyday 5 videos. Aye. Yeah.
I will promote your song 5 videos every day.
Yeah, every day 5 videos, just 5 videos. Just 5 videos, only 5.
Oh. So.
Are you a TikToker or TikTok? Do you dance? What do you do? What do you do?
Na internet ba?
Internet ba? Ano sunod eh?
What? I'm just a human. I'm promoting some products also.
You promote some product?
Yeah, products and anything.
Anything. Oh, Ubi.
Hirapan ako mag-English dito.
Bro, fufun pa o kachire me. Ubi ang kasa ne bro fonye. Memeti ya, memekasa ipi. Ono nakasa ono.
Philippines.
Meme kana me bi yo ketu e bia. Obviously just the English is English. Ono English ni ko ngasa. Ni ko ngasa. Oh, music. They are what do you do? Ramatura promoter krema krnkwa. Pabi, how you doing? Bobby.
Can we talk in Instagram or Viber, WhatsApp? Because I can't understand you here.
Oh yeah, let me follow you. So make sure you follow back. Follow me. Let's follow each other. You have 1.3 million followers. Wow, damn.
Alright.
I think you are very, very popular, right? 1.3 million followers. On that most wow. It's a much.
I followed you back.
Said
I followed you back.
nice. So now we are friends. Me, if I hit you up, you have to reply. If you don't reply, TikTok will take your account. If I hit you up after 5 minutes and you don't reply, they will take back your account. So you have to reply me fast, so that we can communicate. I mean, efficiently, consistently, and fluently. You understand?
Ay, ano daw, guys? Ang hirap niya intindihin ba? Hindi ko maintindihan yung English niya eh.
Who is boosting it
Yeah.
for you? Who is boosting your account for you?
What? Who? Boosting? No, I'm not boosting. It's a natural.
It's a natural. It's a natural. Ghana, you are somebody who
Nahihirapan na ako ba? Kayo na nga sumagot.
How old was he? Can you come fast? Come on. Was it?
Nakakabuang nga eh. Nahihirapan na buhay ko ba?
Oh, before can I? But my kujure na you won't. Sunyane na otina kumasa na meka baby. No can take it to a dinner.
Ano ba guys? Hindi ko na naintindihan.
Like you
Can you talk slowly?
You said?
Can you talk slowly because I can't understand you're very fast.
I'm crashing on you, so I can't even talk slowly. I mean,
Ano daw guys? Ano daw? You have low internet.
maybe low internet. Wow, what's here? You was a hand fan. Me bought me crash you. Me agora na
Hindi
media.
ganun.
He said,
Hindi ko siya crush guys. Yeah, I'm listening.
I said, are you listening?
Yeah, I'm listening, but your internet is not listening. So slow, internet.
Your internet is not listening. Boy, in Ghana, party. But hey, you know, look at Ghana, you need to go for a boy. Or see a bull. It's Asia, or the Foka. Network is not listening. Another way for me.
Are you happy?
Are you the one who did the video? Remove me from your car. Why is everything there? Delete me from the car. Please delete me. Alright, driver as a what? Eliminate me from the car. What? Car me out, no door.
Ano ba? Tamo, siya yung lag guys. Sabihan ko nga to sa mami. Sabihin ko, apakali na ng internet niya. Pati lang siya yung waiting to reconnect. Antayin ko pa ba ito? Tatanggalin ko na. Nagpapapromote siya sa akin 5 kanta, 5 songs daw everyday. Inuutusan ba niya ako o binibigyan niya ako ng o nawala na? Sabi niya, i-promote ko daw yung kanta niya everyday 5 videos. Hindi ko alam kung inuutusan niya ako o binibigyan niya ako ng trabaho na racket na pagkakakitaan ko. Ano ba ibig niya sabihin doon? Sabi niya, promote my song, 5 videos every day. Sabi ko, Papa? Tatay? Inuutusan mo ba? Oh, tingnan mo, inaano pa rin ako. Yes! What it is? Yes, what's that?
Abi. Wow. Anyway, my best
Yeah.
friend. Me every video, that's stress.
What's up? Coconut.
I said I want to see you from outside of the car. On Zombie. On Kami.
Yes.
I want to be an ex-passenger. I want to be an ex-passenger. But I know you look
What do you want?
I want to get down. I want to see body. I want to light you.
What do you want, Kojo?
Yeah, I said, are you a girl or a boy? Because most is too much.
Do I look a boy?
Yeah, do I look a boy too? But sometimes some of you, you see them, you feel like, this one is she's a girl, and I'm gonna she's a girl. Then later you come to realize he's a boy because maybe he's a fine, beautiful boy. What can you give you? Make the car lose weight on his tummy. I want to see you from outside.
You're so happy, huh?
Yeah, because I'm watching your videos. I'm subscribing to you.
Wow.
Bobby.
Huh? Slow internet. Ano daw, guys? What?
My people said they want you to give us a 360.
What? Okay, what's that? I'm listening. You're lag. I'm lag.
This one and this one and this one. What is secret?
Hold on, sorry. Are you watching?
Yes.
360. This is 360. And
Oh, I will follow you like that.
yeah, so
I will follow your three.
I said 360. They say give them 360, like stand up and turn around. They want to look at you. You're rash.
No. Why? Why you're ano yung guys na inuutusan? Hirap mo kausap. Pati 360 pa niya. 360. Titignan lang eh. Titignan lang kung ano ako eh, no? Kung sexy, gano'n. Alam ko na yan. Oo, check ka lang niya. Kala mo naman eh. Sarap-sarap ng higa ako dito eh. Pa 360. Puting ko siya. Ba't hindi ka na nagbibenta? Nagbibenta po ako. Baka gusto niyo po bumili sa Auntie Barley. Can we slow down? Para akong lalagnatin.
Baby.
Bili na kayo sa akin, guys. Para may benta ako ngayon. Wala akong benta ngayon eh. Hello. Parang sakit ng... Wala siyang tiwala sa... Mukha daw akong lalaki. Bye, BL. Good morning, Mary Shane. Sakit katawan mo, guys. Para ko lalagnatin. Sakit katawan mo, guys. Para ko lalagnatin. Sakit katawan mo, guys. Para ko lalagnatin. Bili na kayo sa akin.
Go!
Habang ika'y pinagmamasdan, nagbibilang ng iyong habang, hanggang ika'y aking makita. Di sasayangin ang oras at pag-ibig mo.
Sarap magpamassage.
Mas ibigay lahat, pati itong aking mundo.
This can sumayan.
Sa ilalim
Okay naman, Pia.
habang ako'y nakatingin sa'yo,
It looks like
wala na kong ibang mahihiling. Saksi ang langit sa'kin. Huwag kang mag-alala.
Kaka?
Nakalimutan ko, kapadala ko na kaya ulit.
Alin?
Yung kainan.
Huwag ka nang tamahan. Ako'y parang
not there.
Samahan niyo ako mag-stretch, guys. Hindi ko alam kung tama yung gagawin ko eh. Kaka? Ay, andyan ka pala. Para ako nalagnatin. Lalim ng...
Hindi mo ko na-miss. Ay, hindi ako na-miss.
Huh?
Hindi mo ko na-miss. Gusto ko na isang t-shirt. Ako yung nasa inyo. Hindi, sabi ko sulog. Ikaw. Hindi ba pinawak niya? Pala ko ayaw niya.
Sigda natin ito.
Ba, turuan kita gusto mo.
Hindi. So, may sarili akong stretching eh.
Yun na, hindi. Mag-una ka sa ulo pagbaba.
Kaya nga.
Unahin mo ulo mo. Ganun. Tulak mo. Yan, bilang kang... Hindi, ganun tulak mo.
Malito.
8 counts, tapos baba. 8 counts ulit. Tulak mo ganun, ha? Baka mo. Tapos side. Side, tingin ka din. 8 counts. Ganun, no? Yan.
Hindi, nag-stretching lang.
So, ang sana...
Ilan na to?
Ay, di mo binili. 8 counts, ha? Tapos 8 sa side.
1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Tapos ikat mo nga.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Balik. Okay, balikat naman. Balikat. Ganun ka.
Ay, nagganon na ako eh.
Hindi, ganun ka muna. 8 counts, tapos
3,
press mo sa side.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Press 8 counts.
8 na!
1, 2, 3,
Ah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
kabila.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Halika dito. Anong twist mo? Halika dito, Nay. Magganon ka rin. Ay,
So, Joy. Sa ako
Ah.
may gusto eh.
1, 2, 3, 4.
okay, kabila.
So, kabila.
Oh, matagpila mo.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nandiyan ko muna. Naiihi ako.
Nahihinag ka. O, si Coco, oh. Pahirapan ko siya, guys. Drop naman dyan, guys.
Ako ko.
Drop.
Koko.
Ayaw sa akin, eh.
Hindi mo kilala si Waday? Hey guys.
Hi, Jen. Hi, Jen Rose.
Hi, hello.
Tingnan mo, hawakan ko.
O, kakain mo na eh.
Sabi niya, parang gutom ako.
Kakain mo.
Guys, sarap na. Dali na. Zumba.
May JB. Ay, alis na kami.
Magbabantay mo na kang live. Okay.
So, Joy. Sabi ni,
Mga ka-live tayo, oh. Ano sabi ni Coco?
sabi ni Gogo, at mo kasi ako iniiwan dito, tuloy, hindi kita na gusto, sabi.
Alam nga naman, isama ko siya. Oh. Ba?
Ako ay dahan-dahan.
Ganda ng camera ko. Ang ganda ko sa camera ni Pabi. No? Ba? Ba't kanya sa'yo? Ba't kanya sa'yo? Iyo! Size namin ni mami mo dati. Size namin ni mami mo dati. Oh, sana tayo. Ito.
Umiinit ulo ko. Ano?
Ganun. Ito.
7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Tapos straight. 1, 2, 3.
Ano?
Straight. 1.
One.
Ay, lamaan ka ni mami.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6, 7, 8,
Sakit ka?
Balik.
1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Aray! Sakit ah! Ayan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Talikod. Ganun.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Taas mo.
Pausog ka kasi ito, natatamaan yung mukha ko.
Ganun. Kasama mo. Ay, hindi ganyan.
Ito kasi inagaya ko sugat doon kasi.
Ganun mo. Okay, count.
7, 8.
So, dito ka na sa bewang. Tapos naman sa ano eh. Diba? Yun na.
Hindi na.
Yun, sarap.
O, sugat mo.
Aray!
Dito ka kasi. Nag-i-stretching yung tao. Nagsasayaw ka dyan.
Yan.
Punta.
Yan.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Kaya mo. I-stretch mo na.
Oh, tabi dyan po, masasampal. Pagka ako nasampal ko, huwag kang iiyak. 1, 2, 3,
Kaya mo, tumunog yung akin eh.
5, 6, 7, 8. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Ulitin mo yun, pero hindi ka hindi nga. Hold your breath. It counts. Right? Ano yan?
Tabi dyan, masasampal talaga kita. 1, 2, 3, 4,
6, 7, 8.
Oh, mag-balance na tayo. Yan.
Ano na mabalance mo yung sarili mo?
Siyempre, ginagawa ko dati.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Up, huwag mo bababa. Lagay mo sa tuhod mo.
Ano sa tuhod mo?
Ay sa mo.
Ano sa tuhod mo?
Ay sa dibdib mo, tapos nakagalit.
1, 2,
Ano ka?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh, huwag mo ibababa.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh, huwag mo ibababa.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Oh, di ba na-balance ko? Oh, kabila ulit.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2,
5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, tuhod ko ulit. 1, 2. Sabi ka.
Sabi dyan, masasakot talaga. 1,
2.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mamaya na nga. Yes, what can I do for you?
Hey, what can you do for me?
Yes,
Sir?
why?
Oh, because I like you. I love you. I love your craft. I love your videos. That's why I keep on adding you. So at least you have to be gentle with me. You understand?
So what do I need to do?
What do you need to do? What you need to do is just to
Are you
let us
offering
be.
me to promote your music?
You understand? I need you to promote my music.
Yes, what's that?
Yeah, you have to play them song on live. You have to dance. You have to make videos. You have to hype the song until the song becomes the #1 song in your country. You can do it. Believe in yourself. You can do it.
Oh, so you're going to pay me? Or you're
Oh,
just
yeah, I'm going to
commanding
pay you.
me?
I'm not commanding you. I will never do such a thing. Never
Oh,
ever in my
right.
life. I will not. I will never do that to you. I will never do that. What I'm trying to tell you is just support my music. Continue to like my videos and stream my music. You understand?
Sure. I understand.
You understand?
I understand.
Okay, so right now, one thing I want you to
Yeah, I
search
understand.
I want you to search my music and play it on live.
Wait, hindi ako maintindihan dito. Lalabas nga ako.
Oh, because
I understand.
I said, do you know what you have to do? Do you know you do you know
Yeah,
what you well, network, your internet is not interneting. Why? The internet is bad.
Okay, my internet is good.
Are
Okay.
you sure? Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Because I don't know, when I talk, sometimes it has to pass through the African countries to Ethiopia, to Addis Ababa, Morocco, Rabat, or Georgia, Egypt to Cairo, Mauritania, Nwako, Sierra Leone to Freetown, Zambia to Lusaka, Congo to Uganda before it gets to your continent. Why?
Ano daw guys? Anong continent? Yeah, I understand the promotion, but I don't understand your fast talking.
I'm not talking fast. I'm just trying to tell you that anytime I talk, you hear it after 5 seconds, 10 seconds. What is wrong? What do you want me to do? Let's see.
What did you say about the 5 seconds?
Hey, I said, are you listening?
Okay. Okay, my internet is good.
Anytime I say hi, it takes 5 seconds before you respond hi. Why?
Ah, so because of the internet, and my internet is good right now.
Hey, right now your internet is good. So you know
Told
something.
you, I told you talk to me in private so we can talk about the promotion. You know?
I want to say it in public, so you do it for me for free because of sympathy. Because if I talk to you one-on-one, you do it
For free because of sympathy.
Yes, right now you do me a favor because you know, you have to, you have to be nice to me because of the people watching. So right now, if I test you back door, you what is your So I have to do it here. You understand? You have to duet my song. It's not like I'm not commanding you. I'm not JJ Rollins. I can never command you. I like your personality. I love you. I love your content, and I love your country, and I love your face and your hair. Your shirt is nice. I love it. But I want to tell you that you have to promote me because I need promotion. And when there's promotion, there's no allegation. And when there's an allegation, there's another contribution. When there's another contribution, she never does it. But Charlie, you understand? Yeah. So keep supporting. Why confused?
I don't know. Just let me know if you want to promote your song, okay? I have something to do. Just message me.
You said you have something to what?
I have something to do. Yeah.
Are you
Sorry, I can do it for free if you're talking to me like
you can't do promotion for free.
no.
Now when I saw the menu maybe behind it. Sir, why?
Pag-lag na kaya ako dito. Lag ko kaya. Kaya sabi, pinapakuha niya sa akin daw. You give me work for free? Ha? Ah, sige.
How many dollars?
Sorry, Kojo, I can't do it. Thank you.
How many dollars?
Just talk to me. Just talk to me in private. I can do it.
Go and talk to me in private. Okay. So you want it in private, oh?
Huh?
So bring them
Yeah, just to me in private because public is not good. No? Yeah, for business like that, you talk to me in private.
Okay, so you don't do business on TikTok Live, you talk on private. Sorry, in private.
Yeah, about business. Yeah, about business, I'm talking in private.
So, am I the first person to bring business, or a lot of people bring business?
What?
Am I the first person to bring business?
No,
I
you're
said-
not the first.
Okay.
You're not
So-
the first.
So, how many artists has brought you business?
Use for music?
Yeah, how many musicians have brought you promotion?
I'm sorry, Kojo. Can we talk to in private? I can't answer you.
Yeah. You talk to private. Are there private here, sister? Private. Okay, sure. Private. Okujane na impamcho mofanche. Hello, madam. How are you?
I'm good. What Bobby's trying to say is that for anything that's related in business, you should be talking to her in private. You know, TikTok is a public platform, so if there's anything you want or you want her to do, just let her know. She can definitely discuss it with you, and she still have to consult if there's anything that needs to be done. Like she needs to consult with her management.
Oh, okay. So she has a whole management.
Yes.
Okay, so please, are you the manager?
No, I'm not the manager. I'm part of her admin team. So part of the ones taking care of, let's say, if there's something that needs to be done online or something personally or publicly.
Okay. Oh, I just wanted to promote my song in the Philippines, so I wanted to know how it goes, and she wasn't explaining it very well. So you are the one who has given me a vivid explanation. So now I know. So I'll just hit you up on maybe TikTok or maybe other platforms so we can communicate about it. You understand?
Yeah. She was having an internet issue earlier, and that's why she went outside. So that's why the signal is kind of okay right now. But then again, as you can see on her profile, there's an email where you can reach.
Oh, okay. Me. The main reason was I wanted to promote. I wanted it to be more like a barter trading. He will promote me. She will promote me there, and I'll promote her in Ghana. But of course, we have the numbers in Africa that we can push it to wherever we want us to push it. So the fan base won't be like in one continent. It will be like across. Then we be helping each other. Yeah, but if the person is not willing, I can't force the person. You understand?
We perfectly understand. It's just that we are always open. We are always welcome into promoting or let's say discussing anything, and we wanted to help you out with your music. So it's just that we have to go through the normal or the proper way when it comes to something like this, right? Right, we are always with welcoming or helping out or promoting anyone.
Oh,
You have a
okay.
message.
Well, you can definitely on her. You follow her already
Oh, I
here.
followed her. She has also followed me. So,
Then you can definitely send a private message. You know,
oh yeah, yeah, of course, of course. It's very possible, 100% possible. I'm going
that
to
would
do
be.
that right. I like you. I like you.
I
You are. You
understand.
are. It's a massive cinema. Yeah, I like you. I like you. I like you.
Thank you.
Thank you too. Thank you too. Pabi, Pabi.
Yeah, just
Pabi.
message me.
Hi, Pabi. Pabi. Pabi, Pabi. Pabi.
Yeah, Kodre, Kodre.
Pabi.
Ate Joy, gusto ko daw niyan. Yes. Let's talk in private.
Sure, sure. Private. Pabi, Pabi, private. Pabi. 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 Pabi.
Ano ba yun? Namubwisit ba siya? Okay.
Pabi, wakati anakuwa bwana mjinga na bwana maana. Yazi mfuko mimi nitaanza my friend.
Sige na. Okay, Kodre, let's talk later.
Okay, okay, Pabi. Sure, 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 Pabi. Pabi.
Bye-bye.
Pabi.
Bye. Kodre! Kodre! Visit. Roxy, where are you from again? Where are you from, Roxy? Are you from same? No, you are from where?
Hi, Roxy.
Hello, Roxy.
Roxy.
You want to up here? Can you explain to me? Easy. Good morning, though. Good morning.
No, listen. He says he's like, "Hey, I'm not from over there. Don't think I'm from over there." No, not at all. He's saying like he wants to promote you, but then when you promote him, he gonna promote you. That's what he wants.
Oh,
Yeah. I don't know what he's gonna promote, but yeah, that's what he was saying. He's like, I want to promote you, and then you promote me for free.
Oh,
That's what he wants. And I just saw you were so confused. Oh my goodness.
yeah. My brain is not functioning.
It was not raining. Hi. Oh my goodness.
Headache.
No. When he starts saying Pavi, I lost it. I'm like, oh my goodness.
Yeah, anong tawag doon yung papambuisit, Ate Joy? He's annoying me.
Oh my goodness. No, but yeah, that's what he wants. But it's like, I want to promote my music in Philippines.
Mm.
That's what he says. And I'm like, what is he talking about? Oh my goodness. Oh yeah.
He's he is annoying me and he is very comfortable talking to me.
Oh my goodness. I would already like took him out the first time he say, Papi. I'm like, oh, no, out.
So,
Oh my goodness.
Joy? Ikaw na mag-English nga kay Roxy. Nahirapan din ako kay Roxy. Ano yung ibig niya sabihin sa pabi-pabi?
Roxy,
Yes.
what did he mean when he was saying Pabi? Is there something?
No, nothing. Like Papi saying her name. Like Papi just saying her name. He go crazy there. I don't know what happened to him. I'm sorry. But yeah, no.
He became serious when I talked to him because earlier when he was the one, when they were talking, he Bobby couldn't understand. I couldn't understand as well. But when I talked to him,
No, I did. I was understanding. That's why I was telling her. I was telling Pabi, you want me to like explain to him or something? Because yeah, Pabi's brain not working. You should have taken him out quick. Oh my goodness. Cause he wasn't understanding either. He was like, this and that. I want to promote, and I'm like, why he's not understanding? Oh my goodness.
But I don't understand.
Yeah, that's why he was only saying he wanted for free because when you like do his music stuff and then he's gonna post you. That's what he means.
Yeah, but I don't need to promote
I
myself.
know. Oh my
Selling
goodness.
myself.
No, I know. But yeah. Good luck there. He's gonna be on your email soon.
See, you open your camera.
Me? Oh my goodness. I'm not cute right now. What you mean?
Ate Joy? You tambay here. Anong tawag doon, guys? You know tambay, Roxy?
Tambay? No, not that one yet. What is it?
You don't know tambay?
Mm-mm.
Why? Wait.
Tell me what is it?
Tambay is you stay here then talk.
Oh.
Okay. Mga guys kay Roxy. Sabihin
Like-
like, ito dito.
Like keep talking.
Stay here then keep talking.
Oh.
Help me to sell.
Okay. I got you. What you want to sell?
Open your camera. Wait, I will.
Hey.
Wait. Gawin to yung parang dalawa lang kayo dun sa ano. Paano ba yun? Ito ba? Tatlo to eh. Yun. Open
Wait. Let me go upstairs. I'm on vacations. Let me go upstairs.
Okay.
So I got more light over here.
Okay. Yeah, guys. Bakit ako talaga yung ulo ko sa ano? Napainom na lang talaga ako ng Milo. Missy, saan tayo punta? Ayaw mo na? Masarap ba yung sushi kahapon? Hindi. Oo, Mary May. Roxy is friend din. Friend din yan.
No, because I don't have the same like as my house because I'm not in my house right now.
It's okay. Open camera. They will see you. Grabe yung utak ko, guys. Binomba. Parang alam mo yung ano, nagkasabog-sabog yung utak ko. Oh, ayun na si Roxy, guys. Oh, help me to sell.
What do you want to sell?
Ay, Jacqueline, alam mo ba naiwan ko yung barley na dapat dadaling ko? Andiyan, yung naka-paper bag na iwan ko dapat dadaling ko kay Cassie. Pakuha nga, Jack. Eto, wait. I will put here.
Oh, okay.
Will put here. Okay. Choco barley?
What is that something to eat?
No, it's drink.
Drink? Oh, okay.
And then vitamin C. Meron akong stock mamaya. Pero hindi yun sa kasama sa binili niya.
Okay, first, what does the choco barley does? What does that does?
High in calcium, good for bones and teeth.
Oh, okay. Good for bones. Okay, how much?
It's 370 pesos.
Guys, 370 pesos, that's not a lot. Go buy that. That is so cheap. Go. And it's good for your bones.
Very
That's
good
really
sour.
good. You need it for your bones. Yep. So when you get old, that nothing breaks. You get
Roxy,
super strong.
is it, are you promoting me? Then I will promote you.
Just, oh my goodness. Yes. See, Pavi's gonna promote me. Now, guys, come on. You guys gotta sell this.
Pabili, Roxy Pabili is asking. Did you see her question?
Pabili? Are you single? No, I'm not. Who's that? That's your friend?
No, it's a ghost.
She's single, but
Oh, okay. No,
right?
no ghost. I'm not.
Am I correct? You're single, but you're not available.
You're single but
No,
not.
I'm not single.
Oh, you're not single.
I'm
Yeah.
not single.
You're
Yeah.
double.
I'm not single.
Four.
You're double.
Oh my goodness.
So,
No,
go-
come on, guys. Start the bidding. Come on.
what? Feeding?
How much
Feeding?
vitamins? How much for the vitamins?
Vitamins is 1,060 pesos.
1,060 pesos. Come on, guys. 1,060 pesos. Who's gonna buy? Come on now. 1,060 pesos. Too cheap. Don't let this price go. Come on, guys. Eh? Who's gonna give? Oh my goodness. We got 203 over here. Nobody giving 204 now. Come on.
You're not going to buy? Pab, ask lang about jersey na i-release mo. Exclusive lang ba yun sa po? Yes, Mary May. Pero pwede ka magpabili dun sa mismong event.
Pero mag-advance order ka na.
Hindi. Dun lang mismo sa event makakabili.
Mag-advance order ka na sa event ka na alam mo bili.
Hindi. Dun, mag-uutos siya doon. Dun ka mag-uutos. Kasi konti lang yung limited lang yung ilalabas. So ngayon, dun ka bibili. Papabili ka na lang.
Yes, that's true. So buy the vitamins. Come on. You asking? Come on, buy the vitamins. You got the time. Come on.
Listen to Roxy.
Exactly. Go buy.
Sabi,
Too cheap to pass this order. Come on.
Can you promote in Tagalog?
Who?
You, Roxy, because Joan Villalba said that you are fluent in Tagalog because Stephen teach you.
Joanne, what you saying lies over here, huh? Are you saying lies over here, huh? You, I don't know. I just know freaky stuff. You don't want to know freaky stuff over here.
August 16 AC.
Are you still gonna be here?
Yeah, are you still here? Ay, ba't in-English ko si AC? Nandito ka pa ba ng event?
Hindi, okay lang yan. Practice mo ba?
Ayoko na.
Hindi lang for future reference kapag nag-PT ka, yung
Kasi na mag-adjust. Di ba? Ang lagi na lang ba tayo yung nag-a-adjust? Di ba, Roxy? Naintindihan mo ako? O, di ba?
Yes, 19, diab, don't, just 19. Go ahead, go buy. To the event.
Ano yung sinabi ko kung naiintindihan mo ako, Roxy?
Oh, Pabi Lee, you don't want to know those freaky stuff. We on Pabi's life. We over here behave.
Wala ko na nun. Oh, sayang.
on the night.
Oo nga. Roxy, ikaw yung, you're the one. I'm asking.
Oh, the one for what?
Naiintindihan mo ba yung Tagalog ko? Naiintindihan mo ba yung sinasabi ko, Roxy?
Go, write it, and I will read it to you. Don't worry.
Right?
Write it in Tagalog. I will read for you.
If you read Tagalog, you understand.
Yes, I read.
Because you will translate it.
Exactly. Exactly. I need to translate to see.
Yeah. So guys, by now, if Roxy is strong, she will have customers.
Yes. And now we get promoted.
Yeah, so I will promote her.
Yes. We getting promoted over here.
You promote me, I promote you.
Yeah, promote me and I will promote you.
For free, for free.
That's the rule. Promote me and I will promote you.
Bumili na kayo? What's that?
Who says?
Pabili.
Bumili na kayo.
Bumili na kayo. Bumili na kayo. Come on, guys. Bumili na kayo. Come on. What's that? What's that?
Bumili na kayo ng barley.
Bumili na kayo ng barley. Barley. Come on, guys. Go buy. Barley.
Bumili na kayo ng barley. Bumili na kayo ng barley. Like that, like that.
Bumili na kayo ng barley. Bumili na Good job. Great job.
No, not good job. Again. Like this. Bumili na kayo ng barley.
Bumili na kayo ng barley. Oh my goodness. That's too hard. That's too hard.
Roxy, follow me. Ang hindi bibili ng barley.
Hindi bibili barley. Wee! No, that's too hard for me. Let's say small words. Bumili na kayo ng barley. I say, what you mean?
Bumili na kayo ng barley.
Bumili na kayo, barley.
Bumili na kayo barley.
Bumili na kayo barley.
No, not Marley. Barley.
Barley, my friend, barley.
It's not Barney. It's barley.
When I was kid, I looked Barney. I like Barney. So let's say Barney over here. Just right. Hey, I have to go now because my phone is gonna die 3%. But it was nice coming over here, guys. Take care.
Okay.
Okay, bumili magita, badly.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Roxy.
You're welcome. Take care, guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Ingat. Oh, guys, bumili na ng money.
Wala siyang sugar.
Ha?
Sugar free pala.
Alin yan? Ano ba yan?
Yung mahaba na kulay green.
Ano ba kala kulay green?
Na coffee.
Fusion? Oo.
Ano sugar?
Ha? Kaya pala?
Wala kang sugar.
Uy, meron na yan. Malamis-tiris. Uy, guys, bumili na kayo sa akin. Bili na kayo ng barley, guys. Wala pa akong benta. Kahapon pa lang yung benta ko si ano. Hello, hey, you welcome, guys. Oh, thank you, Roxy. Thank you so. Bumili na kayo ng mali.
Ay, ganyan yung sabihin ko. Hindi ko kita yung product ko.
Ay, we. Nakikita niyo yung product ko, guys. Okay siya? Kay Ate Joy, hindi okay eh. Okay ba? Wait lang.
Mag-out na ako eh.
Papost ko. Okay naman daw sa akin.
Ayan.
Problema yung cellphone mo. Sakit ang ulo ko. Pumekero.
Tatapos.
Guys, bumili na kayo sa akin. Mag-order na kayo. Kasi pagka ako nila tinrang kaso pa, hindi na ako makakapagbenta. Kaya help nyo na ako makabenta. Kita naman yung product. Bili na kayo, guys, kasi feeling ko sasama yung pakiramdam ko talaga. Nakakita naman sa eyes.
Okay na. Nag-respect ako.
Okay na? Bumili na kayo, guys. Order na po kayo bago pa ako magkasikit.
Guys, gagaling yan pag nag-order kayo, guys.
Oo, mabigat na talaga ang aking ulo. Bukod sa pag-i-English ba, nadagdagan lang.
Nagmamasaya po ako, guys. Isang santibaryo lang. Nagmamasaya ko. sanay ka na walang silver. Kaya, Tikat.
Hello, Ate
Hi,
Kat.
Lawrence.
Hi, Lawrence.
Bye, Dean Rose.
Bye-bye, Gina Rose.
Grabe na ulan ba?
Kaya nga eh.
Pagdating ko kagabi, ulan na. Hanggang gising ko sa mako, ulan na.
Sold out nyo na ako ulit, guys. Ay, hindi pala ako, yung barley, guys. Hi, Ate Kat.
Priceless ka ba? Walang presyo ba?
Walang presyo. Priceless?
Priceless.
Ayan, guys.
Hindi ko nabasa yung reply ni Ate Kat. Kagabi ko nag-reply siya kasi tinanong ko kung kamusta siya kasi may explosion na nangyari sa Taiwan.
Ay, totoo ba?
Pero kung baka malayo naman siya. Ano yung factory ng battery?
Ala, okay lang ba kayo dyan, Ate Kat? Sakit ng ano?
Kapag baka may taga-Taiwan dyan ng mga okay lang sana, okay lang.
Yes. Ang lakas ng ulan
Hindi ko
talaga.
tayo sa ulan.
Kumain sila, Poppy? Dry na hair mo, Pab. Oo nga eh. Pero hindi naman sobrang dry. Ang sobrang dry kasi yung parang, alam mo yun, yung sobrang matigas na siya. Hindi naman siya. Sa kulay lang to kasi parang meron siyang mga natitira pang red. Ayun o. Hindi daw alam ni Ate Katyo kay Ate... Di sa'yo lang daw nalaman.
Nalabas sa feed ko eh.
Feeling ko sisipunin ako kasi sumasakit yung dito ko, sentido ko.
Ano gano'n ka pa kahapon sa ulan?
Nababasa ako eh, naaambunan ako.
Naku. Naligo ka mag-ulan.
Pare, dalawa yung account mo? PJ News Nicolas, tapos ito face
Ano
name.
siya? Isa? Di ba dati kahit kung nababan siya yung ginagamit mo?
Miss, bilhin na kayo. Pag ako yung nagkatrangkaso, di ako makakapag-live selling.
Guys, bilhin na kayo guys. Guys, kaya nyo bumili para sa sarili nyo. Nandito kami guys.
No.
Kahit naulan nyo guys, oh.
And I wonder the dance you say that is home for me. Ay, sorry. Alam nyo guys, nagustuhan ni Nizzy yung kinain niyang sushi kahapon. Gustong-gusto niya yung sushi. Di ba, Nizzy? Di ba gustong-gusto mo yung kinain mo na sushi? Tsaka, ano guys? Ako ka mahulog guys. Ano na? Kaya pala ang dami, anong.
Mami, anong tugtog, anong lyrics yung sinasayo natin nung nasa RCS tayo, gumaganto ni, gano'n?
Gentleman ba yan?
Yung gabi?
Gentleman!
Kaya mo di magselos sa kausap ni Gassi sa live yung ESO gifter niya sa Bigo. Tsaka dati pa nagsusupport ata sa kanya yun. So good. Tsaka nandyan na yung supporter niya bago pa ako dumating sa kanya. Just have to know. Ha? Sometimes I'm scared. Ano yung lahat kasi sa'yo? Ganyan naman si Katsi. Bakit? Pao? Ne, Pao, may nasabihin ako, Pao. Pasuyo yung tali dun sa sa higaan natin. Yung ponytail. Sarap tirahin ng buhok ko. Sometimes I
May mga parts na ganun. Pang-release ng person.
ano something kagabi sa live niya?
May mga parts na ganun mo. Kunwari, ganun sa liit. Ang ganun mo. Ganun mo. Nakakalilig ng person yun. Pag tumulong mo.
Guys, mag-ano na kayo? Mag-check out, mag-order na kayo, guys.
Kaya hindi ko tuyo.
Sometimes
Kasi, kaya hindi ko tuyo. Kasi, luto pa ako hotdog.
niligo na ako niyan. Kumasakit ako.
Na, ikaw, kung gamot ka.
Hindi pa gising si Mami.
Tulog lang ulit, masakit daw pang ganda.
Sa ano yan?
Hindi siya nakatulog.
Sa ano yan? Nangaambun-ambunan din. Treat you right. Wala na.
Nakabenta ka.
Wala pa. Wala nga akong bento. Hindi, kay Lola at kay Cassie. Paring mix. Order.
Hindi na lang.
Nalimutan nga eh.
Guys, huwag nyo nang pansinin niya. Hayaan nyo yun. Huwag nyo nang replyan. Oh, bago makakakon.
Babay na nga guys. Magkakain muna kami. Ay, nagising na. Gising na.